Hormone replacement therapy prescription and HGH delivery. After you have discussed your diagnosis with your prescribing physician and worked with your hormone doctor in order to create a plan tailor-made for your needs, your HRT specialist will create your hormone replacement program and write you a prescription for the hormones and other drugs that you will need in order to achieve your goal of hormone restoration. Our licensed and board-certified hormone clinic has access to a specialty hormone pharmacy that can provide you with what you need to get started. Because the pharmacy specializes in HRT therapy solutions, we can provide you some of the best prices that you will find anywhere, and we can also have your prescription delivered directly to your home or office in a discreet manner. Just open up your mail order hormones and you can get started right away. Contact us to buy prescription human growth hormone online. That's all there is to it. In only a matter of days after talking to our licensed hormone clinic, you can get started on your road to wellness with HGH restoration and optimization. Hormone replacement isn't nearly as complicated as many would make it seem, and it is both safe and effective for patients. If you would like to learn more about injectable human growth hormone therapy, testosterone replacement therapy, or any of the other forms of treatment that we offer at the Conscious Evolution Institute, we encourage you to reach out to us today. With our help, we can help you get to the root of your hormone imbalance and massively improve your overall health and well-being through the power of hormone replacement and replenishment. The Conscious Evolution Institute, TCEI, of hormone replacement therapy offers an easy way for American adults to receive a comprehensive health assessment, test for hormone deficiencies, and conduct lifestyle evaluations in a single one-day appointment. Please begin by filling out our online confidential quality of life assessment and then fill out our medical history form. These two forms are required to get started on HGH injections, testosterone replacement therapy, sermorelin acetate growth hormone releasing hormone, or HCG diet. Once we have your information, we will utilize your zip code to find a local LabCorp blood testing center nearest to you. We will test your IGF-1 levels to determine what kind of HGH or sermorelin injections programs would be right for you. We also test your testosterone levels to determine what kind of testosterone replacement therapy program would be right for you. We focus on the early detection of human aging symptoms before they become health problems. We also tailor our services and attention not only to your individual health needs and concerns, but to the demands of your overall quality of life and lifestyle. Hormone replacement therapy is something you can do in the privacy of your home. We have provided videos on how to do injections at home, and we walk you through the injections on the phone as well. They are very easy to do in private. TCEI of hormone replacement therapy utilizes the combination of alternative medicine, anti-aging, longevity, holistic, integrative, and complementary medicine with a focus on achieving hormone balance. All of our physician specialists are licensed and board-certified medical doctors with current credentials. Our hormone doctors have more than 20 years' experience with prescribing human growth hormone, testosterone, sermorelin, and HCG. In order for all of us to stay healthy and active, we need enough energy and nutrition to constantly make new cells for our tissues and organs to grow, repair, and function properly, and for our body to recover from our days and activities. Most of this work is done by enzymes, our worker ants or worker bees, and our hormones regulate the amount and speed of that work. Making changes to your lifestyle and incorporating HGH injections and other treatments we provide can help you achieve a very high quality of life. We can also consult with you about diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes for a full package program. When all of the above is abundantly present and in harmony, we will have a fine working, happy physical machine. Our bodies become optimized. Cravings will be much fewer. Metabolism will function properly, as will the burning of calories. Some symptoms of aging will tend to be minimized, and we will experience a vibrant life and age gracefully. Please fill out the contact form below and then give us a phone call. Yours in health, happiness, and longevity, TCEI, Conscious Evolution Institute of Hormone Replacement Therapy.